Thanks so much for tuning in. It's Leela from Miss Leela Pink Journey. I am going to share with you a quick unboxing of a product that I received from the Tech company. They wanted me to do a product review on it, and I'm very, very happy to do the product review. I will give you my absolute honest opinion on whether or not I would purchase this product. So if you just keep watching, you'll see the review. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Here's the box the item came in from Tech. Let me open it up here. Let's see if you can see what I see. Yes, you can. So it's the Tech 60 spools adjustable thread rack, super storage, high flexibility, premium quality. Tech thread rack, a better choice. All right, let's check it out. I have plenty of thread to use in a thread rack. Let me grab something that is not my scissors. Here we go. My paper scissors here. Thread Rack Pro, it says. It also says that if you had like human hair, if you're like a hairstylist and you had human hair that you wanted to hang on the rack, that you could also do that. Oh, what else did it tell you? The accessory list here. It has storage plates, support feet, ×2 short pegs, ×60, leg pegs, long screws. Make sure you have all the accessories, parts needed for assembly. Please prepare a screwdriver yourself. Okay, I got one of those. Got to pull it out. Align the support foot. Okay, so I'll read those directions once I get it out of the box. All right. I already see that it already has what you need if you want to hang it on the wall. But I have a small thread rack on the wall already, and it only holds very small threads, so I'm not sure if I'm going to put another one on the wall. I can already tell you I love the color because my actual room color, if you've ever seen it, is white. If you've ever seen the full, oh, you get 2 of them. Cool. If you've ever seen the full room decor, it's white, and so that I'm telling you I really love. I hold this out for directions because they're on the back. And I don't need to read. What do we have here? We have plenty of these. What do you call these? I guess pegs. Let me see if they're not. These are pegs. So you have 10 long pegs and 60 short pegs. Oh, that's cool. They're very long too. Oh, wow. So we got long and short. Okay. How does this work out? So I can see here if I wanted to hang it on the wall, I have the exact holes. But I have enough pegboards around my wall, so I'm not sure I'm going to do that. I'm kind of short on wall space. So here we have the back of both of them. What I did is I checked to see these are actually removable. And you can kind of, I guess, adjust them up and down to however you want it to go. That's pretty cool. I like that already. I had another kind of thread rack that I just got rid of because I didn't like it. And this might be pretty cool. So let me open this like this. I don't have to put a screw in there, or how you align the support foot with small holes on both sides of the storage plate. Okay. This letter faces toward. Alrighty. See, there's words on here so you can see that. Tech. It's pretty easy. What you get are several Phillips head screws. So you gotta have your own screwdriver, of course. There's a little hole here on the side for the screwdriver to fit in on both sides. You'll see it here. Let me grab one. And it just goes right in here because this is pretty adjustable. I really like things that are adjustable. So it can go up and down like this. That's cool. And then there's the hole for it. Show you here so you can see what I'm doing. Just need to align it with the hole. There you go. Another screwdriver. It's going in real easy. Once I got it started. That was really easy to set up. I'm going to show you on this one how I did that. You want to make sure that the letters are facing out for the stand to actually stand up the thread rack. And then you can see the hole here where you would line it up so that your screw can go in there. So I'm going to make sure that the letters are on the outside facing me, and on the inside you can see that there are little divots there. So I'll take the screwdriver and stick it right into the hole. But I'll screw them in on both sides. Just simply screw with the Phillips screwdriver. The screws right in on both sides. I'll do that real quick and I'll be right back. On both sides. And then these are very adjustable. So I really like how easy they look up and down. If I wanted to hang it on the wall, I didn't have to have the stands up, so that's pretty cool. I like that. Or you just flip them up like that and stand it up. Cool. And let's see, I wanted to show you, I put those in so easy. You just slide it right in. The little pigs. Cool. I like things that are easy, so that's a plus. And oh, I have thread in a bunch of drawers that I need to hang on the racks. And I can't believe that two racks come in each package, so that is really cool. So I guess you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to be able to do 120 threads to display. Oh, now that's a winner. I'm going to leave a link to this item down in my description box here on my video. I wanted to make sure I actually liked the item before I did that, and I do like it. It's very, see that? See how hard I'm pushing in there? It's very sturdy. So I don't have to worry about my threads, you know, falling out and falling over. That's cool. It's like watching paint dry with me putting all these in, but I just wanted you to see how easy it is. Let me grab a few threads and show you. Look how easy they go on. Nice and sturdy. We don't have to worry about them coming off, and it's so pretty. I just love this white color because all of my furniture in this room is white, so that's a plus. I like how they designed the rack. I really love that adjustable base back there, how it's going to sit. I'm going to sit them right back this way, I believe, and I have another table on the other side that I might want to use also. They feel like heavy duty and they're sturdy. And even if you didn't want to put all your threads together in a row, it's so adjustable. I like these longer ones too. See how long they are? Oh, that's pretty cool. I have some of my larger threads on the back on these longer ones. Just push them right in there. They go in. Even if you didn't want to have thread on each of the, you know, right next to each other like I do, but I like mine like this. You can do every other. So far, I really like the rack. So this is a win for me. I may have to purchase 1 or 2 extras because I can already see where I can fill them up easy. Very easy to fill. How easy that is. Can't beat that. Some of these threads I might do a giveaway on one day. I did a giveaway on a few threads I had before, but I need to do another one because there are some colors that I'll never even use. But I can see that I need to go shopping for some more colors. So I'll need another couple of thread racks, maybe. This is so cool. Look how easy that is. And it's adjustable and it's very sturdy. And again, I really like the design of the rack. I like the color of it. Matches my room decor. And I was thinking even if my room decor wasn't mostly white and pink, it would still match any decor because it's white. I like that. I really like that. They are so flexible. Easy to work with, so I like that part. I'm really grateful for Sotec for sending me these thread racks. Had no idea there were going to be 2 in the box, and I still have, even with all this that I'm doing here, see all the thread in the back, I still have plenty more pegs to work with. So you just really can't beat that. They do come with the items so you can hang on your wall. So that's definitely a plus. Look at the pinks. Look how pretty they look on the rack. Yeah, that's easy. I may be able to get all of my thread out of the drawers. That's good. Because for me, when I don't see things, I don't know what I have. So to be able to see everything and the colors, they won't always be color coordinated. Because once I start working, I mess up the colors and I have to come back and do the color coordination again. But at least I'll know what I have. And I can just keep my eye on it. And sometimes I have a spreadsheet that I keep also with my colors. But sometimes when I'm running to the store to pick up something, I'll take a quick photo of my threads. And they were in the drawer, except for those few I have up there. So now I can take a quick photo of what I have and I'll know so I don't have to duplicate. Because I just don't like that waste. Oh, this is really, look how easy that is. Yeah, we like this. So thank you so much, Sotec, for sending me this. It's detachable, the detachable pegs. You can adjust them to your liking. You can put them, you can space them out. They don't have to be right next to each other if that's not what you want. How cool is that? So yeah, I have a lot more to fill up, and so I'll add the rest of these, and I'll, oh boy, it's like a relief to have the threads on something. So I'll fill this all the way up and have threads all on the racks, and that way I'll know what I have. Let me show you one more time what this is, and again I'll leave a link below in my description box. Right under this video you'll find a link. So again, we have the Sotec 60 spools adjustable thread rack. Super storage, high flexibility, that's true. And the quality is great. Also, I saw on the advertisement that some people use this when they have like human hair and they're, I guess have a salon and they have some of the hair on the racks also hanging. So that's pretty cool too when they're taking pieces off of braiding and things like that. And the directions are really simple, but you can really do it without directions. That's how easy it is. But they're step by step, the assembly steps and accessory list, so you'll make sure you have everything that you're supposed to have. And I did have everything in the box, so that was cool. So thanks again, SoTech, for sending this to me to do a review. I think they're great. I love them. Thank you, and thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out more content soon. I have a lot more videos that I want to share. And if you have any ideas of something you would like me to share, let me know. Leave a comment in the box below and in the comment section. And if there's any questions about this rack, just ask me a question and I'll try to get an answer for you. Thank you. Have a great day.